Exercise 12.3. Find the area of shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ equal to 24 cm and PR equal to 7 cm and O is the center of the circle. Here is given the figure. Find the area of this shaded region using pi equal to 22 by 7. This is the figure. The PR 7 and this. We know that the angle made in semicircle is 90 degree. So we can find the diameter QR by using Pythagoras theorem. Angle QPR equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, QR is the hypotenuse, PR square plus PQ square. PR is 7, PQ is 24. 49 plus 576, 625 centimeter. It means diameter equal to under root of 625. Under root of 625 means diameter is 25 centimeter and radius equal to 25 by 2 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region means area of semicircle minus area of right triangle. Area of shaded region. Area of semicircle means 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of right triangle means 1 by 2 base into height. Here pi equal to 22 by 7 and radius is 25 by 2 minus 1 by 2 base is 7 and height is 24. 12 7 is 84 and here you have to solve and find the answer like this. So multiplying this we get 6875 by 28 minus 84 and solve 6875 minus 28 into 84 is 2352 and subtracting this we get 4523 by 28 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Next question number 2. The question number 2, find the area of shaded region, the figure 12.20. The radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm. Angle AOC is 40 degree. This is the angle AOC is a sector, bigger sector and a smaller sector is BOD. The area of AOC minus area of BOD, we get the area of shaded region. The radii is 7 cm and 14. R1 14, R2 7 cm, theta equal to 40 degree. Area of shaded region equal to area of major sector theta by 360 into pi R1 square minus theta by 360 into pi R2 square. Taking common theta by 360 into pi and bracket R1 square minus R2 square. Put the values of theta is 40 by 360 into 22 by 7 and 14 square minus 7 square. 4 9 ja 36. 22 by 9 into 7. A square minus B square equal to A plus B and A minus B. By cancel this. 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21. It means 154 by 3 centimeter square. Next question number 3. Find the area of shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and the APD and BPC are the semicircles. Here is the area of shaded region. Area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of square is side into side and area of two semicircles equal to 1 pi r square. This is a figure. The side of a square is 14. It means diameter equal to 14. Side of a square equal to 14 centimeter. It means diameter equal to 14 centimeter. Diameter of semicircle. And radius equal to 7 centimeter. Area of shaded region. Equal to area of square means side into side minus 2 semicircle, 2 into 1 by 2 pi r square. Put the values 14 into 14 minus cancel 2, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 into 7. 14 into 14 is 196 minus 2 7 is 14, 154. 42 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Question number 4. Find the area of shaded region is 12.22, where circular arc of a radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with the vertex O, an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. The question number 4. The area of the shaded region is area of equilateral triangle and area of this major sector. The angle is equilateral triangle is 60 degree and this angle equal to 300 degree. Okay, the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Side is given and area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square, where radius equal to 6 centimeter. The area of theta 60 degree, radius and side. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4 into side square means 12 into 12 plus area of sector 300 degree by 360 into pi r square is 6 into 6. Cancel 6 5 ja 6 6 ja 1 6 cancel and here 4 3 ja 12 12 3 ja 36 root 3 plus 110 660 by 7. This is the area of shaded region. Next question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter cut and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut, shown in the figure 12.23. Find the area of remaining portion of the square. ABCD is a square. Here are 4 quadrants and 1 circle. The radius of each circle is 1 centimeter. Radius equal to 1 centimeter. Side of a square is 4 centimeter. Area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant and minus area of circle. The area of square equal to side into side. And area of 4 quadrant means 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4th of a circle and area of circle is pi r square. Cancel. Side into side is 4 into 4 minus pi r square means 1 into 1. And pi r square here is 2. So 16 minus 44 by 7. Subtracting this, there is a 58 by 7 centimeter square. This is the question number 5. Next question. The circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed, leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. In the figure 12.24. Find the area of the design. Here is a 3 segments 1, 2 and 3. We have to find the area of one segment and multiplied by 3 segments and area of circle minus area of triangle. Okay. This is the figure. Radius equal to 32 centimeter. And theta angle equal to, this is the equilateral triangle, therefore the angle is 120 degree. Radius given. The area of segment area of design equal to area of design equal to area of 3 segments. Area of 3 segments means 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. 3 theta is 120 degree by 360 into pi r square is 32 into 32 minus 1 by 2 r square 32 into 32 and sin 120 degree is root 3 by 2 and solve 3. 32 into 32 into 22 3 into 22 by 7 3 into 7 and 32 into 32 is 1024 minus 102 to the 4 8 to the 16 256 root 3. Now solving this, multiplying by 22. 22528 by 7 minus 8. 3 multiplied also here. 3 multiplied in this is get 768 root 3. This is the area of design. Next question. Question number 7. ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with center ABCD. 4 circles are drawn such each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. This is the region. ABCD is a square. Area of shaded region is area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrants. The side of the square is 14, therefore radius equal to 7 cm. Side of square equal to 14 cm and radius equal to 7 cm. Area of shaded region. Area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. Area of square is 14 into 14 minus 4 quadrant. 4 into 1 by 4 into pi r square is 7 into 7. 1 7 cancel, 4 4 cancel. 14 into 14 is 196 minus 154. 42 centimeter. Question number 8. The figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. They are 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge and area of the track. Find the distance of its inner edge. Okay. The distance between two inner edges is 60 meter. Therefore, the inner radius, here is the inner radius is 30 meter. And path is 10 meter wide. Therefore, outer radius is 40 meter. And this length is 106 meter. The parallel is, this length is 106. Now we have find the length of the inner edge. Inner edge means this. 106 plus 106 plus circumference of circle. Semicircle plus semicircle is the whole circle. Inner radius 30 meter, outer radius 30 plus 10, 40 meter, length is this. The distance around the track is 2 into length plus 2 into half of 2 pi r. Half of 2 pi r means, 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. The circumference of semicircle is pi r, and 2 semicircles it means 2 pi r. 2 into 106 plus 2 into 22 by 7 and inner radius. We have to find the track of the inner. Now solve this. 212 plus 60, 1320 by 7, and adding this 7 into 212 plus ये 28,045 meter. 4 8 to 10 538 2807. In second part, area of this. In second part, find the area of this track. It means area of two rectangles. These are the two rectangles, 1, 2, and area plus area of two semicircular rings. Okay, area of two rectangles 2 times L plus L. Area of track equal to two rectangles area. 2 into L is 106 and breadth is 10. And two semicircular rings. This is the area of ring. Semicircle half and two rings cancel. It means 22 by 7. Our outer square is 40 square minus 30 square. Multiplying this, 2120 plus 22 by 7, 40 plus 30, 70 and 40, 10. It means 2120 plus 2200. 4320 meter square area of the track. Okay, thank you.